Use a SIM card pin or similar tool to gently remove the plastic sealing piece. Please be careful during the operation to avoid injuring yourself or damaging the device. Insert the XREAL Eye with the lens facing outward and the gold contacts aligned into the designated port on the XREAL AR glasses. Double-tap the red button on the temple arm of the glasses to bring up the OSD menu. Navigate to the fourth option to adjust camera settings. You can customize the quick button operation by selecting either the click or long press options. Enter the option of export photos or videos, enable transmission mode, and then transfer photos and videos to the connected device. 30 FPS or 60 FPS is selectable. The higher the frame rate, the smoother the video. Recording duration can be set to 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. Storage shows the used and total capacity. Press the red button to erase all captured content. Open the OSD menu. Enter the Spatial screen option and enable Spatial Anchor to experience native 6DoF interaction. After connecting the XREAL glasses to the Beam Pro and entering Nebula OS, you can easily capture the exciting moments where virtual content blends with the real world by selecting Record or Capture from the Beam Pro interface. Once recorded, the content can be reviewed in the photos within Nebula OS. Single-click the black button located on the top of the temple arm to take a photo. Long press the black button for 2 seconds to start recording. Press again to stop and save the recording. Connect the XREAL AR glasses to a compatible device like a computer. Bring up the OSD menu and enable transmission mode. Once the transmission mode is enabled, you will be able to view the captured content from the connected device. If you're not using the XREAL Eye, please cover the camera port with the original plastic cap to keep out dust and moisture. Clean the lens with a soft cloth. Avoid sharp objects to prevent scratches or damage.